My name is Jamie Earl. I am the teacher for the deaf, hard of hearing. I have been teaching special ed for 24 years, but I've been teaching the deaf, hard of hearing for 10. Well, I was originally going to be a social studies teacher, and I got a long-term sub job in a classroom that was special ed, and I enjoyed the closest and the detailed and work-oriented part of working individually with the kids than I did the large groups. So I just kept educating myself in that field. As the deaf, hard of hearing teacher, I have multiple things I gotta cover, like hearing aids and getting FMs or digital modulators hooked up so the teachers can speak right to the hearing aids. I have to teach expressive and receptive language, advocating skills for our little ones so they can say, I can't hear you, teacher, or I'm not seeing the visuals, I need more visuals. I like to have students reach their potential and then push them a little bit more so then they realize that they still have more to give, that they're not done, they can keep climbing. And I like to see when they realize that, hey, I did it and I'm not done, I can keep working, I can keep doing something. You gotta have a lot of passion and flexibility and be able to shoot from the hip and think creatively, but that's the fun part of it. It's not mundane. You don't do the same thing every day. That didn't work yesterday, so we're gonna try this today and we're gonna find the thing that makes this kid rock and roll. And I would say deaf, hard of hearing is an awesome field too, because learning sign language, working with children who are deaf or hard of hearing is very rewarding, in that you watch their communication grow and their rational, their reasoning person grow.